How you guys doing? My name is Chad with Johnson Smokers. I'm starting to put up some videos, get a lot of people. I've got a demand out there for people kind of getting some scaling size for our smokers. What you're looking at right here is one of our Tailgater smokers. This unit actually goes on your receiver hitch on your truck. Basically what you got is about a 48-inch main chamber. So figure about a 4-foot main chamber. Single door. You got dual cooking racks. Just like all of our smokers, they're on heavy-duty slides. Square tube and cooking racks, expanded metal. We can do regular, we can do stainless. You can take the top rack completely out. I'm not going to do that, but just know you can. Rack slide in and out. This is our T-smoker design, but let's just first, I'll have videos on those. This is the same concept, it's just a Tailgater. The Tailgater smoker has a pan in there about 3 foot long. I'm going to call it a plate / pan. It's got a 2-inch lip on it. It doubles as a charcoal pan. It's mainly, if you're going to use it as a smoker, down here on the firebox, we can do 1/4 inch on your firebox. You got a heavy duty rack in here for your wood. You got double vents on both sides, double stacks, drains on both sides, grease trap on the inside so you don't have a grease fire. What I'm going to say, when the heat and smoke comes into this unit, there is a plate in the bottom that it traps your heat and smoke. It forces it to go around the right and left side. That pan in our Tailgater smoker basically has a 2-inch lip on it. You can pour a bag of charcoal in there and run this thing as a grill. The Tailgater smokers are basically real popular. People are hauling them around, and lots of times you don't have time to run the smoker. You run it as a grill. When you do that, there's nothing you have to take in or out. Everything just stays in there just the same. You can run it as a smoker, you can run it as a grill. You don't have to interchange any parts. Basically, I'm going to turn this smoker sideways so you can kind of get an idea. If I can do this right. On the receiver hitch sticking out the back. Basically what you got, we have a jig that we set up to make this thing fit on most everybody's vehicle. We've had no trouble with it. We've had no trouble with it burning people's paint on their tailgates. We've done some testing on distances away and that kind of stuff. By all means, people sometimes use heat blankets. That's great. That's just simple insurance for a $50,000, $60,000 truck. I don't blame you, but just know that if you don't have one, it'll work perfectly fine without it. Basically, I'm going to say, if I had another guy here, I could show you, but it's all you're going to want 2 people to pick up. When you do, you got handles on here. Basically, pick the smoker up, 2 guys, slide it on your receiver hitch, slide it off. It pins up just like a normal hitch that goes on your truck. You're going to strap it to your bumper. I'd go over all of that on the phone with you when we do a sale. You got dual vents, dual stacks. We have to kind of maintain an equal ventilation on this smoker to make it work right, but we do have very good luck with them. The Tailgater smoker basically has about an 1/8 to 3/16 steel on the top section, and we can do 1/4 inch on the bottom. The reason why we back off the top thickness a little bit is we got to keep our weight down so it is safe on your vehicle. Our normal T smokers, we have a 20-inch, 24, a 30, and a 36. Those I'm going to have videos on as well. They're on my website. Don't be mistaken, this is a Tailgater smoker. The regular T smokers that we do are full 1/4 inch steel because we're not worried about people picking them up and putting them on their hitch. The smoker right here, it is made to take you on your hitch. You can travel down the road with no issues. Other than that, just some simple things. We basically weld everything up solid. Go over it with a flapper disc. I say this on all of my videos. We want to rub our hands around on the thing, not catch anything sharp. We want the smokers looking real nice and clean. Temperature gauge is adjustable. Capacity wise, it is a 20-inch pipe smoker, but it does have pretty good capacity. You can lay briskets lengthwise, or however you want to call that. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to say you can put 4 briskets on the bottom shelf easily. Top shelf, just notice it is tighter on the top. That's the nature of the beast with the 20-inch pipe. Just know if you go a 20-inch pipe smoker, whether it be a compact patio, compact ultimate patio, or one of our Tailgater smokers, on the top shelf, let's do ribs, chicken halves, stuff like that. The bottom's more set up for your briskets and maintains the normal height for pork butts, briskets, and that kind of stuff. Other than that, I want to just give you guys a little short video, kind of tell you a little bit about the smoker, give you some sense on scale. My name's Chad Johnson. I'm with Johnson Smokers. It's johnsonsmokers.com. Give it a look. It has all the specs, all the sizing, everything on the pit. you got some more questions, give me a shout. Rolling stand on this one. Take it off your truck, put it on the stand, and go to your patio, go around the football game, whatever you want to do. And pick it back up, put it on your hitch. The stand does come